Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of trading. Whether you're completely new to this or you've dabbled a bit and want to get serious, this video is your step-by-step guide to mastering the markets. We'll be covering everything from the absolute basics, like understanding what a stock actually is, to more advanced concepts like developing your own trading strategies and managing risk like a pro. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything here is for educational purposes only. But enough talk, let's get you trading. Before you put any money on the line, lay a solid foundation. Get educated on how the markets work. Learn the basics: stocks, bonds, forex, and other financial instruments. Understand charts, types of orders, and risk management. Learning now saves you money and headaches later. Use free resources like Investopedia and YouTube. Start with basics and gradually move to complex concepts. Learning about trading is an ongoing process. Even pros constantly learn and adapt. Build a strong foundation and you'll be on your way to success. Now that you've got a basic understanding of how trading works, it's time to choose your battlefield. Are you drawn to the fast-paced world of forex, the potential of the stock market, or maybe the volatility of cryptocurrencies? Each market has its own unique characteristics, risks, and rewards. The key is to choose a market that aligns with your interests, risk tolerance, and trading style. Don't be afraid to start small and focus on one market at a time. Remember, it's better to be a master of one trade than a jack of all trades. With your market chosen, it's time to open a trading account. Think of this as your gateway to the financial markets. You'll be using this account to place trades, manage your funds, and access research and analysis tools. There are tons of brokerage accounts out there, each with its own fees, features, and platform. Do your research and compare different options before making a decision. Look for a broker that offers a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and a good selection of research and analysis tools. Consider factors like account minimums, margin rates, and order execution speed. It's also important to choose a broker that's regulated by a reputable financial authority. This will give you an extra layer of protection in case of any disputes or issues. Don't be afraid to shop around and try out a few different platforms before settling on one. Most brokers offer demo accounts, which allow you to test out their platform and features with virtual money. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Developing your trading strategy. This is essentially your roadmap to success in the markets. It outlines your approach to analyzing the markets, identifying trading opportunities, managing risk, and making trading decisions. Your trading strategy should be tailored to your individual goals, risk tolerance, and trading style. There are countless trading strategies out there, so it's important to find one that resonates with you. Consider factors like technical analysis, using charts and indicators to identify trends, fundamental analysis, evaluating a company's financial health, risk management techniques such as stop-loss orders and position sizing, and your preferred trading time frame, be it scalping, day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to trading. What works for one trader might not work for another. The key is to find a strategy that you understand, feel comfortable with, and can consistently execute. Before you dive headfirst into the world of live trading, it's crucial to get some practice under your belt. This is where a demo account comes in handy. Think of it as your trading simulator, allowing you to test your skills and strategies with virtual money without risking a single dollar of your own capital. Use this opportunity to familiarize yourself with the trading platform, practice placing different types of orders, and test out your trading strategy in real-time market conditions. Pay attention to how you react to market volatility and whether your emotions influence your trading decisions. Remember, trading is as much about psychology as it is about strategy. By practicing with a demo account, you can develop the discipline, patience, and emotional control necessary to succeed in the long run. Don't rush this process. The more time you spend practicing with a demo account, the more prepared you'll be when it's time to trade with real money. You've educated yourself, chosen a market, opened an account, developed a strategy, and honed your skills with a demo account. Now it's time to take the plunge and start trading with real money. But hold your horses. Don't go all in just yet. Start small, really small. Only trade with an amount of money you're comfortable losing. Remember, even the best traders experience losses, especially in the beginning. Focus on learning and improving with each trade rather than chasing profits. Keep your emotions in check and stick to your trading plan. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your position sizes. But always remember to manage your risk and protect your capital. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins the race. Trading isn't a set-it-and-forget-it endeavor. It requires constant evaluation and adjustment. Regularly review your trading performance, analyze your wins and losses, and identify areas for improvement. Keep a trading journal to track your trades, including your entry and exit points, your rationale behind each trade, and your emotional state at the time. This will help you identify patterns in your trading and make more informed decisions in the future. Don't be afraid to adjust your trading strategy as needed. Markets are constantly evolving, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. The key is to stay adaptable, learn from your mistakes, and continuously strive to improve your trading edge. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the learning process, stay disciplined, and never stop seeking ways to refine your approach. Chapter 8. Stay in the loop. The financial markets are constantly influenced by a myriad of factors, from economic data releases to geopolitical events. Staying informed about these events is crucial for making informed trading decisions. Follow financial news websites, read market analysis reports, and keep an eye on economic calendars. Pay attention to key economic indicators such as interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth. These indicators can provide valuable insights into the overall health of the economy and potential market movements. Engage with other traders, join online communities, and attend industry events. Networking with other traders can provide valuable insights, support, and learning opportunities. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of trading. Chapter 9. Level up your trading. As you gain experience and consistency in your trading, you can start to scale up your operations. This might involve gradually increasing your position sizes, diversifying your portfolio into new markets, or exploring more advanced trading strategies. However, it's important to approach scaling up with caution. Don't let early success lead to overconfidence or recklessness. Remember, risk management should always be your top priority. Consider working with a financial advisor or mentor to help you navigate the challenges of scaling up your trading. They can provide valuable guidance, accountability, and support as you take your trading to the next level. Remember, scaling up your trading should be a gradual and strategic process. Don't rush it. Focus on building a solid foundation and developing consistent profitability before significantly increasing your risk exposure. Chapter 10. Never stop learning. The world of trading is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, markets shift, and trading strategies need to adapt. Successful traders are those who embrace lifelong learning and continuously seek to expand their knowledge and skills. Make it a habit to read trading books, attend webinars, and participate in online courses. Stay up to date on the latest market trends, technologies, and regulations. Consider keeping a trading journal to track your progress, analyze your mistakes, and identify areas for improvement. Reflecting on your trading journey can help you identify patterns, refine your strategies, and continuously improve your trading edge. Remember, the learning never stops in the world of trading. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop seeking ways to enhance your knowledge and skills. Outro now, go make those gains. That's it for our beginner's guide to trading. Remember, trading can be a rewarding but challenging endeavor. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. Manage your risks, stick to your trading plan, and never stop seeking ways to improve. The more you learn and the more you practice, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the financial markets and achieve your trading goals. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Happy trading!